This is your morning moment. This is a very handy, powerful tool which I am going to implement in my own life because I am a fierce multitasker. This is the time to change gears on multitasking because now you might be working out of home, you've got a lot of other stress in your life, maybe you're feeling overly anxious. I think we all are. So don't try and do so much, right? Bring it down, settle yourself, get quiet. Maybe you'll go for a walk, maybe you'll stop and take some of these wonderful breath exercises that I've been sharing with you. This one that's a parasympathetic trigger, right, where you inhale for 4, hold for 3, exhale for 5. You're elongating that exhale. So pause on the multitasking. We don't have to do so much. I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to take stock of what we are actually doing. How are we doing versus how are we being? So take that time for yourself to really get quiet and tune into, am I doing what I love? How can I be even better at what I love? How do I get to serve more people? How do I get to be the best version of myself that I possibly can be? These are things that we hear about and we spend time in our sort of self-care routines thinking about them, maybe. This is the time to actually stop, get real, pause on the doing, and get into the being.